Hello, and welcome to the video learning series for the Genetic Disease Screening Program portal for Genetic Counselor Licensure. In this video, you will be presented with the steps to request changes to your Genetic Counselor license on the GDSP portal. Once your Genetic Counselor license is approved, you can request a verification letter or request changes to your license details by using these request features. Let us learn more about these requests. First, let us see how to submit a request for a replacement card, in case you lose or damage your current card. On your application homepage, navigate to the Requests section of your homepage. Click on the New Request Type drop-down. And then, click the Request Replacement Card option. Your current address will be automatically filled in the Replacement Card section. This is the address the replacement card will be sent to. You can edit the fields if you want the card to be sent to a different address. Now, click the Submit button once you have confirmed if all of the information is correct. There is a $30 fee associated to this request. You may choose to pay the fee at this point by selecting the Pay Fee option. Otherwise, you can select the Continue button under the Return to Homepage section. If you choose to pay the fee, you can download the invoice here on the Payment Information page. Once paid, your replacement card will be mailed to the address you've provided within 21 business days of your request and payment. Now, let us see how to submit a request for a verification letter. On your application homepage, click on the New Request Type drop-down. And then, click on the Request Verification Letter option. On the Verification Letter Request page, select the state you want GDSP to send you verification letter to. If the state that is requesting verification of your California license has an additional form, you must fill out the applicant portion of the form first, and then upload it to your request before submitting. Now, specify whether you are submitting the letter through email or regular mail. If you select the email option, you must provide the name of your contact, their company name, and their email address. You can also upload any associated documents related to the request. If you select the mail option, you must provide the complete address of your contact. If any associated documents are required, you can upload them using the Attach File button. Now, click the Submit button. Your request is submitted. After submission, you will be navigated to the Verification Letter Request Submission Success page. From here, you may choose to submit a new verification letter request via the Continue button under the Start a New Verification Letter Request section if you have additional states to send letters to. If you are done and would like to navigate back to your application homepage, please select Continue under the Return to Homepage section. This completes the steps to request changes to your Genetic Counselor license. Please go through more knowledge videos that are available on the California Department of Public Health website. These videos will guide you through other processes related to obtaining a Genetic Counselor license. Thank you for watching this video.